introduction part to Java full stack programming I have given. So today we are going to discuss more briefly about the Java full stack programming. So before going to start learning core, we discussed what are the concepts we are going to cover and all. A few basic things about the core, Java. So the Java is available in 3 different distributions. What are the Java distributions? The 3 distributions are, so one is Java SE we have seen, Java EE we have seen, and Java ME. Java Software Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition. But Java SE, Java Software Edition, nothing but core Java. All core concepts of Java. All core concepts of Java. So using core Java, what kind of applications we can develop? Simple, system level. We can say that desktop applications we can develop. We have seen the examples also. Desktop level applications. For example, like Notepad, right? Chrome browser, system level MS Office and all. Using Java EE, Enterprise Edition means what? We can say that advanced Java. Using advanced Java, what kind of applications we can develop? Means web applications we can. Web apps, right? Banking applications, anything, college management system, library management system, all these things we will develop. Next one is a mobile edition, or we can call it as a micro edition. The mobile based applications or embedded applications we will develop. But of course, nowadays no one is using. It's not there. Micro edition. These are the 3 Java distributions. So first of all, we are concentrating on Java SE. Nothing but all core Java concepts we will learn first. See what we need to download and what are the things will be installed. Very easy. Just how to write the program, how to compile the program, and how to run the program. Easily we can understand. So what is that exactly? See, here it is. Java means what? We need to install that Java software, is a JDK. JDK we need to download and install from the official website only. So that is oracle.com. From oracle.com we can download and install. How to download and install that I'll show you. It's easy, simple thing. But what all the things will be installed when we install the JDK? The first one is called API. So what is API? Simple form, library. So what is library? If you want to write the program, so many predefined programs already ready, given. No need to write all programs. So many programs given. So by using the library, we can easily develop the application. Sir, I want to write program. Okay, you write. This is the program. Sir, simple program. Addition of 2 numbers program I want to write. Generally, I am writing A equals to 10, B equals to 20, just adding A plus B and printing, finish. Not this much simple, of course, the syntax is there, but library support is required. So what is that library support? API. If you want to develop your software, so many predefined programs given, so many predefined programs, right? The collection of all these programs called a library. Okay, program written, program completed, saved, any name. Suppose application dot extension is Java. We are saving with the name dot Java, app dot Java. Okay. So this is API. So if anyone asks what is API? API is a collection of predefined programs by which we can easily develop our Java application. Easily develop our Java application. I will write here. What is API? By which we can easily develop Java applications. Simple. Okay. Sir, my program is ready. Can I execute this directly? Impossible. We cannot execute this directly because machine cannot understand the code you have written in English. Machine understands only binary language. So someone should convert this code into binary code. So what binary code contains? Ones and zeros. Ones and zeros it contains. That is binary code. Sir, who will convert, sir? Compiler will convert. When you install JDK, the compiler also will come automatically. Compiler converts. When compiler converts, that app.java file automatically converted into app.c class file. That is. So again, what is the use of library? We can develop the application easily. But the code, who will convert the code into binary code? Compiler. Compiler converts source code. What you have written is called source code into machine code. Nothing but binary code is the second one. Okay. Code is ready. Now we need to run the application. Sir, who will run the application? Who will run? Right here, run by in environment of JRE, Java Runtime Environment, JVM, Java Virtual Machine is Java Virtual Machine will run and will give the output. Gives the output. So 3 simple points. Okay. So what is JDK? So JDK is a software, Java software, by which we can create the applications, we can compile the application, and we can run the applications. Okay. Then again, explain about API. So what is Java API? Sir, it's a Java library. It's a Java library. What is the purpose of library? So many prerequisites. Sir, I want to sort the numbers. Okay. No need to write the logic. Already sort program is there. You can use it. Sir, I want to create one calendar. Okay, don't create it. Don't write means what hundreds of lines of code. Already calendar program is there. You please use it. Sir, data structures stack program I want to write. Don't write. Because we are already providing collections concept is there. You can use it. So many programs, thousands of programs predefined in Java library. So we can develop our application easily. Simple. Okay. Next, you have written the code is called source code. Then can we run the source code directly? This is called source code. Source code. Can we run the source code directly? Impossible. System cannot understand the source code directly. What system understands? Machine understands always machine code only. Always understands machine code only. Okay. Then that machine code, the source code will be converted into machine code, binary code. Who will convert that? There is a program, compiler. Compiler converts the source code into machine code. That is. Okay, machine code is ready. Then who will run? JVM will run. So what is JRE? Java Runtime Environment. What is JRE? Simple. See, if you want to run any program, suppose I want to take the class, one classroom setup is required. If I want to take online class, at least online class setup is required, like one laptop, headphones, right? Zoom connectivity, some applications. So this is one environment where I can execute my program easily. Suppose if I want to take offline class, one classroom setup is required, chairs, board, marker, projector, again laptop, all these things required. Right? Who will set up this? That is what JRE. JRE is a setup, runtime setup, where nothing but in the setup, JVM will run the application. Simple point. Okay. So very simple questions we learned today. So once again, I'll explain what all the things we discussed. What are the Java distributions? Java distributions, very simple. JSE, Java Software Edition, Java Software Edition, JEE, Java Enterprise Edition, Java JME, Java Micro Edition or called Mobile Edition, Micro Edition or Mobile Edition. So using JSE, what kind of applications you can develop? So this is called core concepts of Java. We can develop only desktop applications, nothing but system level applications only we can develop, desktop level applications only we can develop. So using JEE, what is the JEE? Advanced concepts of Java. You can develop web applications, like network applications we can develop. What is the purpose of JME? It's a micro edition. We can develop mobile applications or embedded applications. Embedded applications we can develop. Embedded apps we can develop. One second. Yeah. The next one is, here it is, what is JDK? Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. JDK. So if you want to develop the applications, we need to download and install the JDK from official website, that is oracle.com. Oracle.com. Simply we can create the account and we can download. I'll show you, of course, how to download and JDK. JDK download. This is official website oracle.com, where Java downloads available. The 1917 Linux Mac OS, based on the operating system we are using, we can download easily. Okay, that's not a big thing. But what JDK consists? Sir, I want to develop the application. Okay, how to develop the application? After developing the application, I want to compile the application. After that, I want to run the application. For three things, right? I mean, for these three different things they have given. What are those? To develop the application. To develop the application, right? API they have given. API, library. I'll show you clearly all these things today, by which we can easily develop the applications, Once you have written the application, how to convert into binary code? Compiler will convert. And who will run in JRE, Java Runtime Environment? JVM will run the application. Sir, where I can see the library? Can you show some of the predefined programs? Yes. In Google, suppose, of course, we need to work with all these things. Java API. Then same Oracle website only, official.com. Java SE. See, look at this Java SE. SE means software edition, core Java. When you click on this, it will show this. This is the library. So many programs are there. So many programs. These are the programs. We need to learn all these things. Now it is a difficult. You cannot understand. Okay. So don't worry. Slowly you will understand. These are the things. And next. So what is the main aim of programming? Main aim of programming is just establishing the communication between the programs. In real-time things, we call it as objects, and establish the communication between them. What is that? Suppose I am one person, I am one object. I am one object. Okay. And here, so many people are listening the class. Students. So I am one program called trainer. And here it is so many programs are listening the class. Students are trainees. Every program has identity. Suppose I have a name, and here it is a people. So many people are there. Suppose I am taking generally the names I am taking. We have names. So what is the purpose of name? What is the purpose of your identity? So don't say that, sir, my name is for my identity. No. Without your name also people can identify you. Name is not just for identification. Name is for calling. So many people attending the class. If I want to ask the question to a particular student, I want to ask the question. Okay, so then what will happen? How I can call a particular person? The only chance is what? Name. Only chance is a name. Simple. With the name only, I can call you. Okay, so why you are calling? And why you are connecting with me today? Because I have some information. Every program has information. Every program has information. We store the information in variables. Suppose my age, my name, already there, my mail ID, my mobile number. These are not required to you. What is required? My knowledge, Java knowledge. I have Java information. You want to get that information. In my mind, I have some information. How can you get the information? Simple. You need to communicate with me. You need to communicate with me. That is. In communication only, sharing the data is possible. How can we share? Sir, I'm teaching. So I'm sending the data. Okay. People are listening. So receiving the data, getting the data. Sending the data, receiving the data, performing operations on data called methods. Simple points. Once. Okay. So whenever we are learning programming, general thinking is very, very important. General thinking. Programming means application. What is the purpose of application? Communication reasons only. Here we are using application, Zoom application. Why we are using Zoom application? Communication. You people communicating with me. So why you people communicating with me? Simple reason. I have some information. You are looking for information. I am here to send the information to you. That's what communication. Right? In every program, in every programming language, everything just for one reason, for communication reason. That's all. It's easy. Okay, remember that. So now with one more example, I'm explaining it. This is general example. I'm the trainer, you are the students. I'm sending my Java information and all. No. Suppose we are developing the banking application. Banking application means what? We are creating account programs, account holders. Each account holder considered as one program. Every account holder is having the information. Every account holder having the information. Tell me what is account information? Account number, account holder name, balance in account, what is the PIN number, mail ID, mobile number, address. This is what information that you have to write in program. Okay, simple example I'll explain. Of course, I'm not writing. Later I'll write. In Java class, suppose account. Okay. So now this is the data, this is account information. Everyone can answer this. These are called variables in Java. Variables used to store the data. That's all. We are creating those variables. Account number, account holder name, what is the balance in account, what is the mobile number, what is the mail ID, that is. Okay, we store the data. Why you are storing the data? Why you are storing the data? Just for processing only. Balance is there. In my account, suppose balance is there. Right? The balance will change every time. Day by day, it will change. Who will change? Operations will change. We need to perform operations on data. Withdraw operation I am performing. Withdraw 2,000 rupees. Deposit 1,000 rupees. Recharge 200 rupees. Just transfer the amount. Transfer 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. Every time the data will change. Suppose whenever you withdraw 2,000, 5,000 become 3,000. When you deposit 1,000, 3,000 become 4,000. So every time changing. Who is changing? Operations changing. So practically operations are called what? Methods. Called what? Methods. We are writing methods here. Withdraw, deposit. Like that. Simple. Whenever you are writing the program contains only two things: data, operations on data. That's all. Simple thing. Okay. Whenever you are storing the data, suppose WhatsApp messages came, you will store the data. So once you save the data, what you will do? Either you send the data or you delete the data. Nothing but operations on data. Na? That is. This is what we do everywhere. Everywhere we do. So learning programming is very, very easy. And learning programming is very, very simple. Very, very simple. It's not big thing. Okay. But we need to practice. We keep on practice. We keep on practice. Once we keep on practice, everything will be easy. The concepts become very, very easy. It's not a big thing. But daily practice is important. Okay. We already discussed in the last class. Believe me, in 2 months, you will complete all concepts of core and advanced, including the database and front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, UI plus database. And you will develop the application in 15 days. In 2.5 months, you can able to develop 2 applications. One is using servlets and one is using JSP. The applications you can develop easily in just 2.5 months. Okay. These are just this week only. The demo classes are going on and people keep on joining. And all theory classes mostly we covered here in this week. The next class is from Monday onwards. Please don't miss the classes from Monday, because from Monday onwards we are directly starting the programming part. Daily basics. First day variables. Second day in operators, arithmetic operators, and then followed by all programs on arithmetic operators. Addition of 2 numbers, simple program. Swapping 2 numbers. Display the last digit of given number. Display last digit of given number. Remove the last digit of given number. Find average of 4 numbers. Find the total marks. Find the average marks. Right. Next, find the total salary. Basic programming we will cover in the first day. Next, we go with relational. Relational means what? If else. Check the person is eligible for vote or not. Check the number is even or odd. Check the character is alphabet or not. Next, go to that logical programming. Multiple. Right. Check the character is oval or not. Oval means multiple. Oval or not. These kind of questions. Next, slowly we will go with loops. While loop, when we go with for loop, when we go with while loop. First, we concentrate on logical programming. After loops, we will start the OOPS concepts, methods, objects, classes, methods, objects. These are. After that, again come to arrays. Arrays plus strings. Very, very important in interview point of view. Hundreds of programs we will discuss. Not a big thing. So once arrays and strings completed, simply exceptions and threading concept. Then followed by collections and JDK. Finish. All core concepts. Parallelly, whenever we are completing that relational logical loops one by one, we will practice. The same things we will practice. Right, in UI also, in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, in HTML, how to create tables, how to create lists, how to create web pages, main pages, home pages, how to create forms, registration form, login form, how to validate the registration form, how to log in the validate form. That is. Next, slowly we will go to SQL concepts. SQL, basic things, how to insert the data, how to delete the data, how to update the data, what are the joins in SQL, subqueries in SQL. All these things we will learn. Then slowly we will implement web application with the concepts of JDBC and servlets. Everyday progress you will understand. Okay, today I got something, not only just listening the class. We will practice while class is going on. We will practice while class is going on. Every day from Monday you will see how the classes will go. Okay, 1 week. Suppose the first week we will concentrate on UI, because like whenever we are writing HTML things, we will feel happy and easy things. Okay, After that, we will introduce logics. Parallelly, we will do both the things. Okay, so don't worry. From Monday onwards, the classes will go. Almost all demo classes completed. Whoever joined from Monday, we will continue with the classes. Of course, if any new people will join on Monday, we will include and we will continue programming from Monday onwards. Okay, hope you understood. Just recall what are the things and you will get the recordings every day. Hope you are getting the recordings. Don't worry, the recording will not miss to anyone. Keep on practice every day. Learn the things, develop the application. Very easy. Okay. Thank you all. Hope we will meet on Monday.